Hi guys, welcome to Royal Logos. It's my pleasure to have you here and I really hope that you all are doing well. In today's video, I will demonstrate you that how can we extract a logo design idea for a business that is providing authentic reviews. So without wasting any time, let's continue with the brief that we received from the client. So the client says that I'm looking for a sleek and simple logo with a geometric visual. The name of the business is Hinter. Hinter is a progressive web application which provides a social community of impartial and authentic reviews of everyday products. Our target audience is 16 to 45-year-olds who regularly read and write reviews. There is no limit of products and reviews. That's why audience can proceed with infinite reviews, discussions, and personal experiences. This community will provide all users with the opportunity to discover new products from friends, family, existing social networks, and wider social community. About logo, we are looking for the combination of an icon and text with solid colors and not gradients. So the major points that I extracted from this brief. First of all, it's the name of the business, or you can say the name of the logo, which is Hinter. And second one is that this is a social community of impartial and authentic reviews. And the third one is that the audience can proceed with infinite reviews, discussions, and personal experiences. And fourth one is that this is a platform where you can discover new products. And the last important point is that they want the logo to be in solid colors and not gradient. And now let's continue with the mind mapping process to design our logo for Hinter. And we can use the number of elements for the design process, like we can use the initial letter H. As we know that this business is acting as a social community, that's why we can use a mark that represents social community. And we can also use an infinity mark, as the audience has the ability to proceed with infinite reviews, discussions, and personal experiences. We can also use a sharing symbol, because the audience has the ability to share their reviews and personal experiences. And to represent reviews, we can use an abstract mark of a star. And as the website provides the authentic reviews, that's why we can also use a tick mark to represent the authenticity of the reviews. Also, this is the platform where you can discover new products. That's why we can use a magnifying glass to represent the discovery of new products. Apart from reviews and personal experiences, you can also discuss about the different products. That's why we can also use a chat bubble to represent the discussion between the audience. And now to design our logo, I have decided to continue with the combination of three elements: infinity mark, a chat bubble, and a magnifying glass. I designed different sketches by using the combination of these three elements, and this was the finalized version. Now let's break down this one to understand the background logic. Now this part represents the infinity mark, and this one represents the chat bubble, and this one represents a magnifying glass. And now this is for today's logo design idea. You can share your thoughts in the comments section, that whether you liked it or not, or if you want to suggest any modifications. And if you think that this video helps you in some way, then like and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.